Welcome to my video series to guide entrepreneurs. In each episode, I will cover a key point in one of 5 concepts of entrepreneurship: getting started, budgeting and finances, marketing and promotion, living your best work life, and running your business. If you like these videos and my audience, consider a collaboration by promoting your business in my videos and send me a private message with a request. But before we start, please subscribe to this channel to get notified when a new episode comes out. And make sure you leave a comment or a question. I read and reply to all of them. In this episode about getting started, we'll be talking about what is your vision. Your vision is the long-term future that you want to see, the heart of your business and your life. It defines your overall goals and how you view the world, your life and business place in it. And it will serve as a guidance in your future decisions. Your vision statement can be short or long, but it should be motivational for you and your future employees. The difference between vision and mission is that vision is the what and why your business exists, and the mission is the how it will fulfill it. The vision is forward-looking, and the mission is about the now. Did you know that workers in a company with a meaningful vision will be more productive, engaging, and long-lasting, and can serve as ambassadors for your business? Well, that is motivational enough to write a good vision statement and lay the groundwork for future success. So here are the 4 steps to do so. Number 1, right thinking of the future. Imagine in 5 to 10 years, what would you and your company accomplish? For example, think about how does the world you want to live in look like and how your business can contribute to that. Number 2, define your core values. What is important to you? What do you believe in? What do you see the world and how do you see it? Your vision should reflect these. These values will guide your business decisions. Number 3, dream big. Be ambitious in your vision and add passion and emotion to your statement. Number 4, ask for feedback. Reach out to a trusted circle for directions and input. For example, my vision statement for my Chasing Dreams to Success is to help others live their dreams and take them to a successful future, living life to the fullest by turning their visions into reality through my coaching and singing, inspiring them and guiding them to become their best selves based on love, fairness, and honesty. So now share some of your visions with me and I will kindly reply. Use me as a sounding board. Thank you for watching and listening. You are on your way to a great entrepreneurial life. But learning and growing will only be measured by the result of the small actions you take after stopping this video. So make sure you write down your top 3 or more actions and decisions that you will make this week. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting topics.